Hello and welcome to You Can Do It Too. Today I'm going to unbox this new Makita Cordless Lawnmower. This isn't a sponsored video at all. I've just gone out and bought this. It's got many advantages, probably the greatest not having a cord, but also not relying on petrol, fossil fuels, a lot less emissions, and hopefully it'll be a sort of all-in-one package. So let's have a look, see what's inside. I've bought this as a bare unit without batteries. You can get it with various batteries and chargers and that sort of thing, but you do pay quite a bit of price. The money's in the batteries, but as I've already got some for my other power tools, I've just got the bare base unit. It's about £150, which is reasonable for a mower, and with the batteries it should do the job. Bag of bits, handle. So just going to put all these bits together and see how it cuts. And that's it, about 5–10 minutes to assemble this. The instructions are very clear. We've got a spanner, that's probably for the blade underneath. This is important, it's the locking key. Without that there won't be any power to the unit, so if you're going to work on it, take the batteries out and pull this out, then you're all safe. So I'm just going to pop that in. It's got really good range of settings for height, just one lever does the whole thing, which is good. So it will go up quite high, so do really rough grass, or really low. Don't want it that low, probably about there, 25mm, about an inch, and we'll give it a go. It's got a safety button in here, stops you operating the handle if you don't want to, so just push that in and there she goes. Right. So the mower kept stopping every now and then, and I thought maybe it was getting a bit choked up, but it turns out one of the batteries was a bit flat. So moral of that story is charge your batteries before you start. So we'll have another go. They slip in there very nicely. There is an indicator. Can't say it's very bright in this light. So the little flap here, that's an indicator for the grass box. So when the grass box has got space in it, air blows through and this flips up. When it's flat, it means that the air isn't coming through and it needs changing. It's not a massive grass box, I must say, but for our size of lawn it's absolutely fine. So I'll take the grass box out, just lift this flap, and it just gives you a view of what's in there. Looks pretty good. Lift it out, and that goes in the compost or your green bin. Now I've finished here, so just for safety, pull that plug out, and that's all completely safe. I'm going to take these batteries out anyway, charge them up for next time, and just make sure it's clean underneath. Careful with the blade. Pretty good, it's a nice all plastic interior there, so that's good. So all in all, it's a good little mower. It's lightweight, it's quiet, battery powered, so there's no cord. Plenty of things going for it, so I'm very pleased. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Lots of interesting videos there.